Welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata and this is the Twilight Stitcher. This video is a quick video. I am sharing with you the 5 patterns, my top 5 patterns that I'm going to run out to Joann's to purchase in the coming week. Yeah, I know I said I'm not buying any patterns. I didn't say that. All I said was I am not pattern testing. But I really like these 5 patterns, so let's just go through it. These are from their pre-spring collection. The first one I have here is M7898. I love this dress. It is such a feminine, fun, flirty kind of dress. I think it totally meets my requirement for my new view for this year, as well as the details, the subtle romantic details that it has, and I like the cold shoulder. I didn't have much success with one of my previous projects like this, and I'm thinking I would like to try this one to see how it goes. Hopefully I have some fabric in my stash that I can use for this. Otherwise, I guess it's not that hard to buy a little extra fabric to meet this the fabric requirement of this pattern. I really like it. I think it's such a fun dress. I think it also is perfect for like a spring wedding, or if you're on vacation, this dress would look amazing for travel. So this one is one of the top ones here. The next dress, and for me, this dress I wasn't too interested in. It is M7894. But I think because I checked out the line art, I kind of moved my eyes and be like, that one looks like it has great potential. I think when we see patterns, sometimes, you know, our style kind of blocks us because we're looking through those lenses. But if you go over to the line art, it's really interesting what your mind can say to you with how it looks in the line art, because you can see your fabric or the fabric that you hope to use on this project, and you can visually pull together a picture. And I think that's what happened with me for this dress. The other dress is, let me see, here we go. The other one, I just threw this one into my cart at the very end because I was like, I'll do 4 because these are the 4 that I really like. But I have to say M7892 is a really, really cute dress. I think this one is really sleeping. You can't really tell how cool it is until you go through the line art, as well as the blouse. The blouse are really cool too. The blouse versions are really nice. I love this pattern. I like the full skirt. I always have problems with wrapped patterns. I'm never really successful with them. I don't know what I'm doing. I maybe have to do some sort of adjustment, but I don't have a lot of luck with those crossovers. They just don't fit kind of right. But I'm hoping that this dress might be successful because it's not a complete wrap. So we'll see how it goes. I like the tie on there as well. I think it is a complete wrap. Let me see. It might be. I don't see a zip on the back. So this one I'll definitely need some sort of luck on if I make it this spring. The other pattern I have here is M7906. You guys remember, right? I had that one on my new view sort of refresher video which I posted. This skirt is really cool. I want to add this into my inventory. I think it's going to be a mileage skirt. It's going to go a long way. It's going to work with a bunch of pieces. So I'm looking forward to adding that one. Yeah, I did say 5, but actually there's 6 in my cart. So the next 2 patterns we have here is M7911. How glorious is this pattern? The blouse is so luscious and flowing, very feminine. I am 100% this would look great in silk, in gauze fabric. I mean, it's just a beautiful design. You can totally make this one of your top projects for the year. It's just a really nice piece, and it goes with so many things. The only thing that I'm interested in, or I say interesting, I mean concern, is if you wanted to tuck this in, it's not a tuckable design. Also, this dress, also this pattern comes with the pants. So this Nicole Miller pattern is a top and a pants, so you get that lovely voluminous pants pattern. I don't know how I feel about that look. I really like it on the model, I'm just not sure how it will look on me. And the next pattern that I will pick up soon here is M7902. I think this is such a fun piece for early spring because you just never know what you're going to get. Is it going to still snow? Is it going to be really cold? But it's cute. The sleeves are really nice and flowy. I think light fabrics will be amazing for this. Definitely some florals. I can see this in florals, but also blush pinks, even greens are amazing. I love this view right here. I don't think you can see that very good. I like this view right here. It's not working very well. So I like this view right here for the blouse. I think it's a really cute one. Alright, so that's basically it. This was like a super quick video. It's really impromptu. I know I want these, so I'm gonna go get them, but I thought it'd be nice to just share with you guys quick what I'm going to add, even though I said I wasn't. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you on my next upload. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already done that, and don't forget to turn your notification bells on so you can see these videos. Have a wonderful day. Questions, go down there in the comment section and I will respond as soon as I have a moment. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.